Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Finding your saved Outlook email templates can be tricky because they are hidden deep within your computer's folders. Outlook stores these files in a specific location on your Windows hard drive. By default, these templates use the OFT file extension. To find them, you need to navigate to your AppData folder. The easiest way to reach this spot is by using a shortcut command. First, press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard at the same time. This action opens the Run dialog box. Type the following command exactly as it appears, %appdata%\Microsoft\templates. After you type that, hit Enter or click OK. A new File Explorer window will pop up immediately. You should see all your custom email templates listed right there. These files are separate from your regular emails and drafts. If you want to move your templates to a new computer, this is the folder you need to copy. You can also manually browse to this location if you prefer clicking through folders. Start by opening your C drive and selecting the Users folder. Choose your specific username and then open the AppData folder. Keep in mind that AppData is often hidden by default. You might need to click View and then check the box for hidden items in your folder settings. Once inside AppData, go to Roaming, then Microsoft, and finally, the Templates folder. Understanding this file path helps you manage your professional communication much faster. You can now backup, delete, or organize your templates directly from this system folder location on your machine.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.